Good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself Khushi Thakur and my topic name is moist heat sterilization at 100 degrees Celsius. So, moist heat sterilization is a sterilization by means of hot water or steam. Means the microorganisms are killed by hot water or steam. Why the microorganisms are killed? Because in the microorganisms, the denaturation and coagulation of proteins are there. So, moisture sterilization is divided into three forms. First one is temperature below 100 degrees Celsius. Second is temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. And third one is temperature above 100 degrees Celsius. So, our topic is temperature at 100 degrees Celsius. It also has three types. First is boiling, second, steam under atmospheric pressure, and third, steam under pressure. So, what is boiling? Boiling means the temperature at water get boils. So, you all know that at 100 degrees Celsius, water gets boiled. At this temperature, most of the vegetative bacteria are killed, but not the spores, because the spore requires more temperature and hence it requires prolonged periods of boiling. It is not suitable for surgical instruments. If sterilization may be promoted, you want to be it more effective, then add 2% sodium bicarbonate to the water. The material should be immersed in water and boiled for 10 to 30 minutes. The lid of the sterilization should not be opened during the period. It is simple, easy process, but not much effective, as it not sterilize surgical instrument, which is important to sterilize. Second one is steam at atmospheric pressure. The Koch or Arnold steam sterilizer is usually used. Laboratory autoclaves can also use, but mostly Koch or Arnold steam sterilizer is used. It is inexpensive method. The apparatus require little or no attention. It is also known as sterilization or intermittent sterilization. It is occur at 100 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes for 3 consecutive days. Each day, 30 minutes required. It is used for sterilization of gelatin, annex, serum, or sugar-containing media, which are damaged at high temperature of autoclave. Autoclave's temperature is 121 degrees Celsius, which is very high for these substances. So, most of the vegetative forms are killed by this method, but not the spores. They are exposed to steam at atmospheric pressure. They are exposed to steam at atmospheric pressure for 90 minutes. First day for 30 minutes, so the vegetative bacteria are killed. But the second or third day, the spores get killed. Steamer consists of a tin copper cabinet with a ball suitably lagged. The lid is conical, enabling drainage of condensed steam and a perforated tray fitted above the water level. The articles are kept on a perforated tray before which steam can pass. So, third one is steam under pressure. In it, the temperature at which sterilization exists is 108 degrees Celsius to 147 degrees Celsius. A variety of materials such as dressing, instruments, laboratory ware, media, and pharmaceutical products can be sterilized. Autoclave is used. It is a steam sterilizer that boils water when its vapor pressure equals to surrounding atmosphere. When pressure inside a closed vessel increases, temperature at water boils also increases. It is very effective process, and by this process, most of the vegetative bacteria killed except spores and thermophiles, as the autoclave's temperature is very high and thermophiles are heat resistant, so it not get killed. There are several types of steam sterilizer are in use. First is laboratory autoclaves. Second, hospital dressing sterilizer. Third, bowl and instrument sterilizers. Fourth, rapid cooling sterilizers. Autoclaves are of two types. They may be horizontal or vertical. See the diagram. The door, the steam chamber, the air, the shell, the steam, steam to chamber, exhaust wall. Purpose is to remove steams after sterilization. West line, steam supply, thermometer is the diagram. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.